will get and make clay. Mix. What you do is mixer in a can and wax, Colgate, and a soap. And then what you're gonna do first is put the toothpaste in the can. All toothpaste.
Stick.
More
Colgate, more slime.
Yes. And then go get wax
I recommend
and put to the toothpaste. Just add a little bit and just add and soap.
pink sauce.
Soap. Or any soap. I have pink soap. So I'm gonna do pink soap.
Uy, princess, di na makita ka.
And then yes. And then and what you're gonna do first is gonna stir the materials, and it's done. It's work. And it's the
Lalagay pa to?
slime. And then shake. Stir again. Just stir in a minutes, and there will be done. And if you have a powder, just add powder to make it clean. We will do slime. We have no powder, so we cannot do clay. And it's come our slime.